Hello everyone and welcome back today for another update. In this video, we will review all the threats that Winter Storm Landon will pose. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the following. Let's begin. Here is the National Weather Service page. Winter storm watches spread from the Mexican border all the way to Vermont, with winter storm warnings across most of Missouri and surrounding areas. These warnings will likely be expanded northeast and southwest throughout the day today. We also have high wind warnings for a big portion of the Dakotas and some of Minnesota. Winter weather advisories are in effect in those purple areas. Let's look at the latest GFS model guidance. Winter storm Landon will originate over central Missouri as a band of rain, before quickly growing into a massively long storm. By Wednesday morning, heavy ice and snow is falling across a wide area. The storm isn't done growing though. By Wednesday evening into the overnight, another low-pressure system forms over Oklahoma and Texas, bringing even more ice and snow to areas along the stationary front. The storms will move along the front towards the northeast into Thursday, until it reaches New England. Heavy ice and snow remains a threat for the northeast even by Friday, before the storm moves offshore by Saturday morning. Before we talk about the ice and snow totals, we have to review the severe weather and flooding risks. We already have a marginal threat for severe weather this Thursday, which could be upgraded to a slight risk as we get closer. If you live in the area highlighted in dark green, be on the lookout for thunderstorms that could produce mainly damaging winds and hail, and perhaps an isolated tornado. The flooding threat is another serious risk with this storm between Wednesday and Thursday. We do see a marginal risk for flash flooding on Wednesday, which becomes a slight risk on Thursday. If you do leave your house on both of these days, and if you encounter a flooded road, turn around and don't drown. Most flood deaths are caused by people being trapped in vehicles. Let's now take some time to talk about the ice and snowfall predictions. Here is my ice forecast. If you live within this light pink color, you have a threat of freezing rain. Some isolated areas could see some problems within this pink. The threat of tree and power line damage becomes bigger in this darker pink shade, where ice could accumulate between 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch. The highest threat for power outages and damage is found in the darkest shade of pink, where ice could accumulate between 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Now for my snowfall forecast. If you live in this light blue, you can expect anywhere between a trace to 3 inches of snowfall. Areas in this darker blue could see between 3 and 5 inches of snow. 5 to 8 inches of snow is possible in this light purple. This darker purple could see between 8 inches to a foot of snow. Anyone in this darkest purple color could see between 12 and 18 inches of snow, with isolated locations maybe reaching close to 2 feet of snow. Nonetheless, this will still be a very widespread heavy snow and ice event. Thank you all for watching. If you are still watching at this point in the video, I will ask that you do subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a like on the video. See you on the next one.